Welcome to another edition of Ballantine's Marketing Minute. I'm your host, Matt Cote, and today I'm going to be talking about envelopes. Now, oftentimes marketing folks like to use a standard size because they have to stay within a budget. Now, number 10s, 6x9s, those are your standard size outer envelopes that somebody would typically use, 9x12 for flats, not lats. So what I would recommend is maybe pricing out the option of using a non-standard envelope. Obviously staying within the letter rate if you're trying to achieve that, but instead of using number 10, maybe use something that is 4.5 by 10 inches. Still fits within the letter rate and just gives you the ability to stand out in the mail looking at all those other statement mailings, number 10s, and other packages like a 6x9. It's a little bit bigger. So that's my recommendation for trying to stand out in the mailbox. Thank you for watching. If you found the information in this video to be very helpful, feel free to share it with your coworkers, friends, family, as well as like and comment on our page. And also try to connect with us on every other social media channel that there is. Facebook, LinkedIn, Google+, doesn't really exist, but you think you still can. Twitter, every other social media channel. Really appreciate it. Thank you.